Hey everyone, want to create your first document in Microsoft Word. In this tutorial, I'll show you the complete process, from opening Word to creating, editing, and saving a document. By the end, you'll be ready to start writing with confidence. So let's jump right in. Start by opening Microsoft Word on your computer. When the home screen appears, you'll see recent documents along with several templates. To create a brand new document, simply select Blank Document. Once the blank page opens, you can immediately start typing. Click anywhere on the page if needed, then enter your title and begin writing your content. Word automatically places the cursor where you're ready to type. Next, make your document easier to read by formatting your text. Select the words you'd like to change, then use the Home tab to adjust the font style, font size, text color, or apply bold, italic, and underline. You can also change the text alignment to fit your document. If your document needs more than just text, open the Insert tab. From there, you can add pictures, tables, shapes, icons, or page numbers. These tools help make your document more organized and visually appealing. When you've finished writing, it's time to save your work. Click File, then choose Save or Save As. Pick a location on your computer or OneDrive, enter a file name, and click Save. Saving regularly helps prevent losing your progress. And that's how you create a document in Microsoft Word from start to finish. Once you know these basics, creating letters, reports, assignments, or resumes becomes much easier. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.